简易英文智慧第4 AM 上午 AM 上午 I'm in the meeting at 8:16 AM 我上午8点16分在开会。 Able 能够 Able 能够 We are able to deal with all sorts of problems. 我们能够应付各种困难。About 关于 About 关于 Tell me all about it. 告诉我关于这些事件的一切。Above 在什么上面 Above在什么上面 The glider was soaring above the valley. 那架滑翔机在山谷上空滑翔。Abroad 到国外 Abroad 到国外 He is traveling abroad. 他要到国外旅行。Across 横过Across 横过 Can you swim across the river? 你能游横过河岸吗？ Actress 女演员 Actress 女演员 The actress received numerous floral tributes. 那位女演员接受了许多献花。Afraid 害怕的 Afraid 害怕的 He is afraid of the mouse. 他害怕老鼠。After 以后 After 以后 They met in June and became lovers soon after. 他们在6月相遇以后就成了情侣。Afternoon 下午 Afternoon 下午 Good afternoon 午安。Again 再一次 Again 再一次。Do you want to try again? 你想要再试一次吗？ Age 年龄 Age 年龄 What is your age? 你年龄多大？ Ago 以前 Ago 以前 The dinosaurs disappeared long ago. 恐龙很久以前就绝种了。Agree 同意 Agree 同意 We agree to cooperate at the moment. 我们此刻同意合作。Ahead 在前 Ahead 在前 He soon got ahead of his classmates. 他很快在班上名列前茅。Air 空气 Air 空气 The fresh air in the morning made her feel great. 早晨的新鲜空气使她觉得愉快。Airplane 飞机 Airplane 飞机I will visit Japan by airplane. 我将乘飞机访问日本。Airport 机场 Airport 机场 The plane circled the airport before landing. 飞机在着陆之前在机场上空盘旋。All全部 All 全部 All my plans had died. 我的花草全部死光了。Almost 几乎 Almost 几乎 She slipped and almost fell. 她脚下一滑，险些跌倒。Along 沿着 Along 沿着 I walked along the river bank. 我沿着河岸走。Already 已经 Already 已经 I've already paid my membership dues. 我已经缴交了我的会费。Also 也 Also 也 I should also take account of difficulties. 我也应该考虑到困难处。Always 总是 Always 总是 I'm always at home in the evenings. 晚上我总是在家里。America 美国 America 美国 Are you going to America by boat or by plane? 你到美国是坐船还是坐飞机？ American 美国人 American 美国人 His accent proclaimed that he was an American. 他的口音表明他是一个美国人。Angry 生气的 Angry 生气的His imperious look makes us angry. 他那跋扈的样子令我们生气。Animal 动物 Animal 动物 The jackal is a wild animal in Africa. 豺狼是产于非洲的一种野生动物。Another 另一的Another 另一的 It is just as well that you took another road. 还好你们走了另一条路。Answer 回答 Answer 回答 The question is simple enough to answer. 这个问题很容易回答。Ant蚂蚁 Ant 蚂蚁 The ant is a tiny animal. 蚂蚁是一种小动物。Any 任何的 Any 任何的 You can give me any one of them. 你可以给我任何一个。Anyone 任何人 Anyone任何人 I dislike to have anyone patronize me. 我不喜欢任何人对我以恩人自居。Anything 任何事 Anything 任何事 Do you have anything to do? 你有任何事要做吗？ Apartment 公寓 Apartment 公寓 I have an apartment in Taipei. 我在台北有一套公寓。Appear 出现 Appear 出现 A ship appeared on the horizon. 船出现在水平线上。April 4月 April 4月 April is the time to plant trees and flowers. 4月是种树和花的时机。Arm 手臂 Arm 手臂 You should wind a cloth round the wooden arm. 你应该缠一块布在受伤的手臂上。Around 到处 around 到处。He runs around the playground. 他在运动场上到处跑。Arrive 到达 Arrive 到达 I shall arrive the office soon after. 我将很快就到达办公室。Art 艺术 Art 艺术。She displayed great ardor for arts. 她对艺术表现出极大的热心。As 如同 As 如同 The ground was as white as snow. 地面如同雪一样白。Ask 问 Ask 问May I ask a question? 我可以问一个问题吗？ At 在 At 在 I'm sorry to obtrude on you at such a time. 我很抱歉在这个时候打扰你。August 8月 August 8月The weather in August is so hot. 8月的天气很热。Aunt 伯母 Aunt 伯母 She has no relations besides an aged aunt. 她除了年老的伯母外就没有亲戚了。Autumn 秋天 Autumn秋天 The autumn or winter term start in September. 秋季或冬季学期9月份开始。Away 远离 Away 远离 He lives 3 miles away from my house. 他住在远离我家3英里的地方。非常谢谢您对 Great Kids Learning Channel 的热爱，希望你能够订阅我们的频道，按下 subscribe 键，或者按下订阅频道键。订阅频道后，同时旁边也有一个小铃铛，希望你也能够按那个小铃铛，我们的 channel 的资讯就会自动的传递给您。同时也希望你能够对于我们的影片按一下喜欢或者按赞，也谢谢你的观赏。